Good morning, students. Myself, Neha Ashwani, Faculty of Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Today, I'll be teaching Class 4th EVS, Chapter number 4, Animals and Their Characteristics. We have already completed the major portion of the chapter. Today, we'll be completing the leftover one. Now, coming to the special features of birds. A bird's body is covered with feathers. They have different types of beaks. They have claws as per their eating habits. Now, why do the birds have beak? Because beaks help the birds to eat the food, to catch prey, and even to change the direction while they are flying. The shape of the beak depends upon the type of food they eat. That's why you can see that all the birds have different types of beaks. Now coming to the first one, that is sparrow. A sparrow has short beak because the sparrow eats grains. It has to pick up the grains and the worms. So that is why it has short beak. Next one, hoopoe bird. A hoopoe bird has a long beak because it pulls the worms and other insects from the ground. Coming to the next one, this is kite. A kite has strong, sharp claws and it has hooked and curved beak to tear the flesh of small animals it has to eat. So it has a curved, sharp, strong beak because it has to tear the flesh. Now coming to this one, what is this? This is an owl. An owl has a short, curved, downward facing. You can see the face of the beak is downwards facing beak as it is hooked at the end. And it is designed specifically for gripping and tearing the prey. Now this is a different type of bird. What is this? This is a parakeet. Now a parakeet bird, it uses its curved beak. It has a curved beak. It uses its curved beak to break open and eat a variety of fruits. Like parrot eats guava, in the same way it also likes to eat different types of food, so it has to open up and eat a variety of fruits. So that is why it has a curved beak. Now coming to this one, what is this? This is a stork. A stork uses its long beak to catch fish. As the fish is inside the water, so that is why it has long beak, so that it can easily catch the fishes. Now coming to the next point, that is bird's nest. Now birds build their nest with the help of straw, grass, twigs, feathers and whatever they get. They lay their eggs in the nest. In the nest, they lay their eggs. The birds sit on the eggs to keep them warm and to guard the eggs, to safeguard the eggs. Now coming to the special types of nests. The first one is the tailor bird's nest. You can see the nest in the picture. This is a special kind of nest. The tailor bird stitches together the leaves to make its nest. As the name only tells you, tailor bird, like the tailor stitches our clothes. In the same way, this tailor bird, what it does, it stitches the leaves together to make its nest. Now the next one, it's weaver bird's nest. This bird uses bits of dry grass and weaves them to build its nest. You have seen the tailor birds are using the leaves, but this weaver bird, it is using the dry grass and building its nest. Now coming to the third one, that is woodpecker. You must have seen that in the tree there are small holes in the tree trunk, and the woodpecker, you must have seen many a times, the woodpecker is sitting on it and it just peck it with the beak. It pecks the trunk of the beak and enlarges it to make a proper hole, and then the babies of the birds live inside it. I hope the lecture is clear, students. Till now everything is clear. Now children, with this we have completed our chapter. So here are few questions for you. You have to think and answer. Just write down all the questions. Just pen out the question and the answers in your notebook. So the questions are, which bird has the biggest nest in the world and where is this bird found? Second, name a bird which does not build its own nest. Third, name a bird which cannot fly. Fourth, name a bird which cannot sit on a tree. Fifth, how does a peak help a bird? Sixth, why the birds can fly and why can't we fly? So all these questions and the answers you have to write in your notebook. Thank you, students. Stay home, stay safe.